Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Venus PC and naisipan namin today na 2 days, 1 night sa Seda na located sa may North EDSA. Actually sa likod lang yun na Vertis North. Sa likod lang din ng Trinoma. So biglaan lang to and wala lang. So mag-room talk tayo doon and doon din ako magtatrabaho ng half of my shift. So anyway, nag-prepare na kami and naalis na rin kami kasi it's already 1:15 in the afternoon. So ang check-in time natin doon is 2 PM. And right now nandito nga ako sa office. Punta na kami ng Seda. Magkita tayo doon. Hello guys, time check, it's already 2:45 in the afternoon. Kaka-arrive lang namin dito sa Seda. Wala naman masyadong traffic pero masyado lang maraming sasakyan sa EDSA. So anyway, punta na tayo sa lobby, check-in, and then magkaroon lang tayo ng quick room tour.
Mr. Marvin, this one is may breakfast po nakasama, good for two. Paid na po siya on.
Our room number is 1921. So 19th floor. So this is the main door, and then on the other side, so we have cabinet na may bathrobe, and then provided na rin yung indoor sleepers nila dito sa kwarto. Tapos may malaki kami ditong mirror kasi laki na ng katawan ng tao. And then pag inopen mo, of course, this is the bathroom. So we have shower area, hot and cold na yung tubig. And meron tayo ditong body wash, conditioner, shampoo. Provided na rin yung towels. Malinis ang kanilang bowl with bidet. Provided na rin yung tissue paper. And we have vanity mirror, lababo, and then mga vanity kit, dental kit, meron yan. Tissue ulit. Siyempre ito, mahalaga to sa girls. Ang hair dryer. Meron din tayong bath soap. May upuan, may timbangan, ayan. Trash bin. So this is our comfort room. And this is the controls for the aircon, including sa ating main switch sa mga ilaw. This is our room. Very relaxing yung view. Napaka-minimalist. Meron lang tayong painting dito. Parang dahon siya. May mga cove light, pin light, and sobrang simple. And malinis siya. Meron tayong mga side table with lamp. May telephone. And ito na yung bed na kinuha namin, dalawa. This is the curtain. Let's see later on kung ano yung view sa labas. Kung may-entice ba kayo. And then I'll be working here until 6 PM later. Kasi nasa shift pa ako. Meron tayong malaking TV, flat screen TV. May mga desk lang tayo dyan, trash bin. And we have here libreng coffee, tea, tasa, painitan ng tubig. And then sa baba naman is yung mga consumables natin. So mayroon tayong beer, juice, coke. Siyempre yung ating mini ref. And then this one, added space na lang to sa kung ano man yung pwede nating ilagay. So ayun, nakapag-set up na ako ng laptop. So nag-work na ako dito. And pakita ko pala sa inyo yung view from the outside. So hingin lang natin ng konti yung kortina. Yan. So this is the view. This is Philippines. So ito yung Vertis North. Tapos ito yung tatlong building dito sa ano, parang TP ata yan. Tapos Telus meron din. And then kung mapapansin nyo doon, yung mahaba na yun, yan. So yan yung MRT6 going to Bulacan. Tapos ito yung view nga namin. So kung makikita nyo naman, Office of the Ombudsman, ayun sa may gilid. Tapos itong kabilang building na to, Quezon Ave na yan eh. Diyan yung Avida Tower and all that. Yan, so ito yung view namin. Kita ka pa rin ng magandang nature, di ba? May bundok sa banda doon. Tapos may mga building sa paligid and maganda yung weather ngayon in fairness. So thank you God. And then dito kami galing kanina, yung way na yan, papunta dito sa Seda. Yun. So that's it and mag-work muna ako. So yun ang ating quick room tour and mag-aayos muna kami ng gamit namin dito and syempre tatrabaho muna tayo, kailangan yun. And punta tayo mamaya sa pool at saka sa gym kung madadaanan natin.
A few moments later.
Hello, good afternoon.
First swimming po?
So may playground tayo doon, puntahan natin mamaya. Tapos meron tayong mini bar dito and then may mga chairs and tables, may mga couch saan ka pwedeng maupo at magstay. This is the pool area basically. So ayan na siya in total. This one is the Solaire of the North. Hello sir. Gaano kalalim yung ilang feet pala yung ano natin doon?
Sir, yung adult natin is 4 feet po. Tapos itong po natin is
2 feet. Ayun. So yung 4 feet yun na yun sir, walang mas malalim doon.
Yan lang po lang sir.
Okay, sige. Thank you. Ano pangalan mo sir?
Brian po.
Sir Brian. Ayan. Thank you sir. Thank you.
Sir, good afternoon. My name is Franz and I will assist you with regards to the spa and the gym.
Okay.
So, this is our spa po. We operate at 12 p.m. until 10 p.m. in the evening. The last reservation is 9:30 until 10 lang po siya.
Okay.
And then sa gym naman po, our gym operates at 6 a.m. in the morning.
6 in the morning.
And closes until 10 p.m. We're almost complete. Meron po tayong treadmill. Meron po tayong mga electric bikes and then stationary bicycle po. Dito po sa dulo sir, dito po yung mga lifts natin, weights, dumbbells. Sir, we recommend yung suot po namin actually shorts, shirts, and then anything that is dry fit po. And then we are very strictly po sir pagdating po sa footwear. Ang allowed lang po na paggamit po sa gym is only shoes po. No
Rubber
Crocs.
shoes.
Yes sir, no Crocs, no slippers. Kapag po meron po kami nakita ganun, we advise them to change in their rooms sir, just in case. For their own safety.
Ayun, sige.
So as you can see, complete po yan. From 2.5 kilos until 50 kilos. And,
Okay.
and then we have our barbells, of course. And then this po yung ating mga lifts and weights for the legs and then the bodies just in case.
Okay. Someone can assist ba us kung halimbawa mag-gym or gagamit tayo ng treadmill?
Yes po, we are here to assist for our guests. My name is Franz and of course my kanina po is his name is Mark. And he can also assist us with the use and then of course the safetyness of the equipment just in case po.
So this is the play area guidelines. So ours is from 6 o'clock in the morning until 8 in the evening. And yeah, kung may mga kids kayong kasama, sobrang sulit naman kasi may slide. May parang umiikot-ikot dito. So I think yeah, that's sulit na sa mga kids. Hello guys, time check, it's 9:15 in the evening. Di pa kami naghahaponan. Kagagaling lang namin ng Bertis North Mall at saka dito sa Trinoma. Alis kami ulit, punta kami ng Tomas Morato, kain kami ng Sanggipsal. So syempre, samahan nyo kami doon at ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga kakainin namin. Saan man yun, kasi di rin namin alam kung saan kami makakarating. Di ba?
1 hour later.
Hello guys. So, wala kaming napala. Nag-ikot-ikot lang kami dito sa may Tomas Morato. Kasi puno yung mga restaurant. So, puno din yung mga parking. So, ending namin, Jollibee. So, anyway, okay lang yun kasi bukas naman, naka-breakfast buffet kami. Kasama dun sa binayaran ko. So, packet na kami ngayon ng kwarto. Meron kami ditong chicken, spicy, spaghetti, rice, fries, and drinks. So ito na yung dinner namin ngayon dahil nga sa wala ngang kaming mapagparkingan, mahanap na kainan ng Sanggipsal. Lahat puno. Gusto ko sana yun ang kainin namin para medyo mainit-init. May soup, maraming karne at gulay. Anyway, yun lang and kakain muna kami and matutulog na bukas. Magkita tayo sa breakfast buffet.
The next day.
Good morning, good morning. Morning.
Hello, Mano po.
Good morning. Ayun, sige. Thank you.
Hi, magandang umaga.
Good morning. Hello, good morning guys. And this is our second and last day here in Seda Vertis North. And dito nga kami nag-breakfast buffet sa 24th floor ng building nila. So this is the view and this is the food. Papakita ko sa inyo. So ito yung area kung saan kayo magbe-breakfast buffet. Sana hindi tayo makapiright sa kanta. In terms of the food, so meron sila crispy bacon, dilis, daing, bangus din, steam yata, corned beef, longganisa, pork tocino, ham, breakfast sausage, toasted potato, buttered mixed vegetable, garlic rice, steamed rice, boiled egg, and scrambled egg. Different breads, may croissant tayo dito, strawberry, assorted pastries, at kung ano-ano pa, pang crate ng salad or Caesar salad, musay, yogurt, assorted cold cuts, seasonal fruits. We also have your soybean curd, cereals, fresh milk. And that's it, and this is the view. Ayun sa mga ka-Vinex, meron tayo itong garlic rice, meron tayong broccoli, tocino, sausage, ham, egg, fried potato. Kakain muna kami, then balik-balik pa rin kami para kumuha ng maraming pagkain. Kami nga pala yung unang guest na umakyat dito sa 24th floor ng Seda. Ayun, so guys, it's already 11:40 in the morning. I hope na nag-enjoy po kayo. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and please don't forget to follow me on TikTok at VinDevera920 para kahit walang kwenta ang araw nyo, ma-feel nyo pa rin na exclusive kayo. And also, please don't forget na mag-give love sa mga bagay na ginagawa natin para at the end of the day, maging successful tayo. Yun lang muna for now. Thank you everyone and magkita-kita po tayo sa susunod kong vlog. Bye!